hold the baby for a second?
Get the baby real quick.
I forgot to break the bottle.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? Yo, bro!
He won't stop crying.
Why would you do that? Now! Come on!
Billy, come back here! Billy! Jake! Where's Alex?
Hey, what are you doing? Oh my God! What are you doing?
Are you serious?